First, the top news headlines. Minister Radhesyam receives honorary doctorate degree from EUBD. Karang in Bisnupur district deprived of drinking water. And Yaral Part restored to its former state, migratory birds start roosting. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Education Minister T.H. Radhesyam was today felicitated on receiving an honorary doctorate degree in science in political science from the European University of BRC-KO district, EUBD, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Department of Education, Government of Manipur and Manipur International University organized the felicitation function at the auditorium of MSFDS, Imphal. The event was attended by former Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Dr. H. Nandakumar Sharma, Chancellor of Manipur International University, Dr. Hari Kumar Palathakra, Commissioner of Higher Tech Education, K.H. Raghumani, and Commissioner of Education S. T. Ranjit Singh, IAS. Speaking at the event, Radhesyam said that we must try to grow as much knowledge through studies rather than pursuing only for degree or certificates, adding that this will help the society take forward.
What role we can play, what responsibility we have to take, higher education, school education, primary education, contribute to binding force well knit, Punna Taisinva, Aduma Samazama society ma, Wahelakan, a quick Kudding Magna, Aina Makarada, contribute to Rakanda, a Queen Manipurse, what Pasaba, Mayam Sinta, Nariba, Adu Manipursi, Wahense, a quick Punna, Manipurse, and always a hila was the power direction, Adumba, a canon the Puminese, Haina, Hizeramayam Puno Pukrumzeri.
Speaking at the function, former Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Dr. H. Nandakumar Sharma noted that conferring a doctorate by an international university on Minister T.H. Radhesyam is a matter of pride. He lauded the minister for his contribution in the field of education. Dr. Nandakumar asserted that one must not study just for the sake of study but must make efforts to join the global world of competition. Residents of Karang village in Bisnupur district have been deprived of drinking water. Ironically, the village is surrounded by Loktak Lake, which is one of the main sources of drinking water for the state. Talking to TOMTV, Ningthozam Amuba, a local resident, said that around 4,000 natives of Karang village have been facing problem of shortage of drinking water for the past 8 years since the Karang water supply scheme stopped functioning. He alleged that the concerned contractor of the defunct water supply project are misusing the amount sanctioned by the related department for restoration work of the project.
Hana ising of a batam, but the Gihazi, Lokaki, Lamuduring is the Tarpo Mayamji, when has so seasonary. I don't know Morakanda, Anna Lena Tinagi Makaya, Lena Suyam Lai. I don't know Sarkana, Tupumatanda, Kuiwata supply, me and Kurt to the sanction people Pami. Hana Pui Mayama, see repairing near Laga. Me and Jung Tabi, Kanotona, me and they're fitting Yimbira Makata. Musagi. Sigi process or none about Tabakitim the Todaba. Samana told the Narquigi Karang Praza, I am not 100 hours, say now, I think I am a piri.
Another local, Ningthozam Bhega, also expressed discontentment over the drinking water issue, saying that untreated Loktak water has affected the health of the residents, with many of them suffering from waterborne diseases. He also expressed unhappiness over the pathetic condition of road connectivity apart from lacking proper healthcare service in the village. Yet the state government has shown an indifferent attitude towards all these problems, he added. He, however, said the PHED department is restoring the water supply scheme soon to provide safe drinking water to the residents.
Perja moina ekoi population minising ahum khare leba jaga ni adu masi ekoi ising thakna na ba ai masi yengbiro hogi hogi lakpiraga mi kayam lakpira mi thika dar na ekoi kungi thika si semam si boina repairing tor mabani repairing je ekoi na ekoi perja mo ekoi mote pamjeda ba haibadi repairing mapung pha ba repairing tor biraga dan tor biraga khar pha ba adu na tabada ekoi bill lower lower sakhiba oin sum to ba haita masi bin lower sakhiba ngtani da ekoi thabakti du thikai torokpa adu perja di perja da kala profit sumi pidam da ba water supply am lai re haibai profit sumi pidam da bani na ekoi na pamjari bodi hogi hogi man pugo me athu matam da ekoi apha ising thakna ba adagi miyam alai he ka hadu kan minana ba adu ising apha pithak pi haibu na ekoi masi hai ekoi perja na masi haijaki.
Of 12 wetland areas in Manipur, restoration of 8 is currently underway. Yaral part of Imphal East is one of them. Now migratory birds have started roosting there. Deputy Director of Environment and Climate Change, Government of Manipur, Dr. T. Brajakumar said that the department is taking up the restoration process of the wetlands. Brajamani further said that they face difficulty as these wetland areas are situated in semi-urban areas. The Yaral Path, which is around 60 acres of wetland, is receiving 8 different species of migratory birds and also becoming a nesting place.
Hariba wetlands sina piriba kanabasi mahaki khwaidagi nungaiba akoina mayamna khamda yam important oibasi mana piba microclimatic condition ama maintain tawba koi aying sa hongpa koi climate change gi oirakpa piba masisida wetland na lori role si koi temperature high laguda yamna responsible loriba carbon dioxide hariba gas greenhouse gas te carbon dioxide gas si wetland na sink yamna good sink khamoina hit subsan bada yamna mateng pangba dugumba role mo yam changloi adu da natara mana anak pudra leiba khogi ma koi villager da natara anak pa catchment da microclimatic condition mo mana fajan balance toro tham hetare.
Secretary of Integrated Farmers Cooperative Society T. Janaki said that the Yaral Path, which has a historical significance, has been restored to its former state.
Society asing objective akoi khare lai objective sing asia akoi ahan bada akoi gi environment gi akoi gi conserve to bom lai re conserve to robina hoja akoi ising lai rabina akoi gi fishery gi masi item um su pai khale adu hariba item ani si hoji akoi khara makhai di pai khat pangame aduga ahum su hoja akoi na target ama thamba pa misina akoi gi hariba mafam asi akoi gi ecotourism oiraknabagi pandam do miyeng do adonda sangi aduga loina na akoina sida pa makata na aikoigi lairiba akoi horticulture na singba adigi animal husbandry singba sugumba item manga se akoi lokhat ke na khali.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, 9 students from Manipur are taking part in the 27th National Children's Science Congress 2019.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646.
Yang what?
Sokthaba lodi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Sokthaba koknaba rebalance. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy. Rebalance. Chasingi marakta miyamna khangnaraba Gambhiras Valley Strong City Anoba chagi mana singdagi saba asingba amadi mahau leiraba Valley Strong Tea asibu mahau lobinabagi damak ngasimak leibiu anoba technique ya sizinaduna semjariba Gambhiras Valley Strong Tea. CTCT asi gram chama chani yangkhai amadi chamangagi paketa makhal kaya thokna fanganjari cha asigi mahau lobinabagi damak ngasimak leibiu Gambhiras Valley Strong CTCT. Admission open for the session 2020-21. Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool, Kawasa Falerak near Nursing Mandir. Facilities available: digitally smart class, transport facility, fully trained staff, spacious classroom, friendly environment, hygienic midday meal. For more details, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool. Contact number 700513143 or 700517235.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singoiba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adomgi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudingmaki gari kaya su bandan lauzare. Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pisari.
Akupa marol gidamakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapa Rims Road, opposite Nitayananda Temple, Natragana.
Lamjingba Finance, Uripok, Havam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Welcome back after the break. 9 students from Manipur are taking part in the 27th National Children's Science Congress 2019, which was kicked off today at Mar Ivanois, Nalachira in Kerala. The event is organized by Department of Science and Technology, Government of Manipur, in collaboration with Kerala State Council for Science, Technology and Environment, KCSTE. Altogether, 658 students, including 9 from Manipur and 203 teachers from across India, are taking part in the Science Congress being held on the theme Science, Technology and Innovation for a Clean, Green and Healthy Nation. Woksing Kumhoba was observed at Lainingthau Sanamahi Sanglen, located inside 1st Manipur Rifles Complex, Imphal, organized by Moilang Salai Yakaipung. The day marks the arrival of Woksing month in accordance with the Manipuri lunar calendar. Penayakairol's speech on the Woksing Kumhoba greetings and a grand feast were the main highlights of the event.
Ngasi akoina pangthok sariba sahi hoba maliafam palcha sahi kumsingli sahi saising chaichat lising ahumga samriga tarani pal basi lining tok sanamai ipagi sanglen asida mailang salai jakaipungna pangthok sabani kumhau thorum asina lakpa asida kangleisa pumnamak jaiphaminarji sahong hongba khunchauba leisauba tangdu leitaba punchi amamoi minersi haina mailang salai jakaipungdagi laibang miamda jaifa paujil pizari jaiphaminarji.
Iram, the Manipur Artists Association, today presented Nungsibagi Machu on the 6th day of the ongoing 16th Sumanglila Winter Festival 2019. The festival is organized by Manipur State Sumanglila Council.
하이리버 세기도 나저 거리 한 하고 따뜻한 자는 아이 내가 프레젠터 그렇게 뭐 거기 우리가 주장을 망시가라는 거리 해 아이 뭐니 이게 그래서 다음 바이오 아도는 런던에 있는 거기 스웨덴은 병원에 우리 보험제게 들어도
Jamaat-e-Islami Hind Manipur State Branch, under the sponsorship of Society for Bright Future New Delhi, distributed winter blankets to more than 70 persons from poor families at Santhel Awanglekai Kakching today. Jamaat-e-Islami Hind Manipur State Branch organizers Abdul Halim said that Jamaat-e-Islami Hind Manipur distributed the free blankets to a few selected people under winter relief project sponsored by Society for Bright Future, New Delhi. Beating cold wave persisted as the mercury continued its downward trend across North India today, while Delhi recorded a minimum temperature of 4.2 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature of 13.4 degrees Celsius today. The India Meteorological Department's IMD has predicted that this December could be the second coldest in 118 years in the national capital, as temperatures are predicted to drop further. According to the IMD, Due to persistence of cold northwesterly winds in lower levels over northwest India and other favorable meteorological conditions, cold to severe cold conditions are very likely in many pockets over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, and in isolated pockets over North Rajasthan, North Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Bihar during the next 2 days. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Laurembam Enterprises Makhal Kayagi furniture items Pangbiragani Maruina sofa set, office table amadi chair set, wedding set asina chingbani. Furniture item ama leibada chada tara mangadagi kun fawba discount pijari. Loinana Christmas amadi New Year gidamak akhanaba offer su pijari. Mattress pambiba singna sleep well moirang khomdagi lobi biyagani. Akupa moral gidamak lengsin birau Laurembam Enterprises Kanchipur opposite Manipur University. Akogi contact number 97741 32867 natraga 8787675251. Mangalam Enterprises. Exclusive and top branded household as well as office furniture items available. Please avail our season offer before first week of January. Offer up to 50% discount. For more details, please visit Mangalam Enterprises, Kaisampad Kaisam Laikai, Imphal.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taugzari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa, hospital dagi yumda puthaba, hospital amadagi hospital amada puba, yum thangnariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lauba, loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yaraba air ambulance ki service asina chingbani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak sep taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changne na coaching tohonba.
Mama paga cha manana warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokhraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Takshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Takshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Takshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Welcome back. Mobile internet services have been restored in Kargil district of Ladakh. 145 days after they were snapped in the former state of Jammu and Kashmir on August 5th, when the centre revoked Jammu and Kashmir's special status under Article 370 of the Constitution and bifurcated the state into two union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. According to media reports, the latest development came 3 days after the government ordered the withdrawal of over 7,000 paramilitary troops from Kashmir. To be mentioned, Home Minister Amit Shah had asserted in the Rajya Sabha last month that the situation in Jammu and Kashmir is normal contrary to widespread belief, and that internet services will be resumed in the region at an appropriate time. As Uttar Pradesh intensifies security and patrolling ahead of Friday prayers, prohibitory orders under CRPC Section 144 banning assembly of more than 4 people has been imposed near UP Bhavan in Delhi and Silampur and Jafrabad areas of Northeast Delhi. According to reports, paramilitary force personnel and state police force have been deployed and drone cameras are being used to ensure security. Meanwhile, the process to sophisticate the property of those involved in damaging public assets during the protests gained momentum as 372 people were served notices in different districts. Personnel of the Government Railway Police (GRP) today seized suspected opium weight 3.5 kg from a train in Guwahati. According to media reports, the contraband substance was seized during routine checking from the possession of one Sahdev Bisnoy of C/12 Sobhavatan Ki Dhani under Subhash Nagar Vista Yojana Police Station in Jodhpur of Rajasthan. The accused was carrying the banned substance in 15960 DN Kamrup Express train. He was occupying seat number 12 in coach number S6. The accused person was travelling from Dibrugarh to Kuch Bihar. In this connection, a case is being registered under NDPS Act. A Norwegian woman tourist has been asked to leave the country after she was found to have participated in an anti-CAA protest this week, violating visa norms. Reports found that she has violated visa norms and so she was asked to go back. Jan Mette Johansson, who is on a tourist visa, had come under the scanner of Bureau of Immigration Authorities over her participation in an anti-CAA protest in the city on December 23rd. This 71-year-old woman settled in Sweden said when she sought an explanation or something in writing, the authorities informed her that she would not get anything in writing. She said her friend was arranging a flight ticket to Dubai, from where she would catch a flight back home to Sweden. A passenger plane with 100 people on board has crashed in Kazakhstan's Almaty airport after it lost altitude. As per media reports, the crash has left at least 14 people dead, confirmed local aviation authorities in the Central Asian nation. Out of 14, 6 have been identified as children. At least 35 people have also been injured in the plane crash. Airport authorities said the Beg Air aircraft lost altitude, hit a fence and finally crashed into a 2-story building during takeoff from Almaty International Airport. A special commission will be set up to determine the cause of the crash. The plane was heading for the capital, Nur Sultan, and lost altitude during takeoff and broke through a concrete fence before hitting a small building, Kazakhstan's Civil Aviation Committee said in a statement. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has claimed a huge win in a vote that challenged his leadership of the Likud party by securing 72.5% as opposed to his rival Gideon Sa'ar, who polled 27.5%. Sa'ar admitted defeat, saying he would now back Netanyahu in a general election due in March. The Internet Party vote was seen as a test of Netanyahu's hold on power at a time of mounting difficulties. Netanyahu, 70, faces trial on bribery and corruption charges as well as a third national election within a year. Previous elections held in April and September saw Likud deadlocked with the centrist Blue and White Party, with neither able to form a government. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, CMYC defeated SYC by 3-1 in the first match of ongoing first DFA Under-15 district football tournament, while Seva LC beat FC by 2-1 in the second match today. The tournament is being organized by District Football Association DFA Moirang at Moirang Multipurpose High Secondary School ground. At the National School Games 2019-20 that began from December 24th at Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, organized under the Aegis of School Games Federation of India, the Manipur Under-19 Girls Jeet Kune Do team came out as team champion on the last day of the games today. The boys team won the second runners-up title in the event. The Manipur team cleans 4 gold medals, 6 silver medals and 6 bronze medals at the event. The 16th Junior National Jump Rope Championship 2019 has begun today at the indoor stadium of Khuman Lampak Sports Complex, Imphal. The 4-day-long event is organized by Spontaneous Association of Jump Ropes Manipur. Wangkhem Assembly Constituency MLA Kaisam Meghachandra Singh, retired Professor of Central Agricultural University Dr. N. Iboton Singh, Chief Executive of Jump Rope Federation of India Sunita Joshi and several others attended the inaugural event. Former junior world champion Nikhat Jareen today advanced to the 51 kg category finals of the women's boxing trials for next year's Olympic qualifiers after defeating Jyoti Gulia. As per media reports, Zareen, a gold medalist from the prestigious Stranja Memorial in Bulgaria, defeated Gulia, also a youth world gold medalist and the reigning national champion, in an unanimous verdict in the opening bout of the 2-day competition in New Delhi, which will end tomorrow. India and South Africa will meet again in the second match of the Youth One-Day International Series tomorrow, after India Under-19 team produced an impressive all-round performance to begin its tour of South Africa with a comfortable 9-wicket win in the first Youth One-Day International at the Buffalo Park in East London yesterday. As per media reports, batting first, South Africa Under-19 team folded for 187 in 48.3 overs. In reply, India dished out a solid batting display to overhaul the target, scoring 190 for 1 in 42.3 overs to take 1-0 lead to the series. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Minister Radheshyam receives honorary doctorate degree from EUBD. Karang in Bisnupur district deprived of drinking water. Yaralpat restored to its former state, migratory birds start roosting. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur and have a good night.
Thank you.